Hello viewers, welcome to the channel Tech Savvy Engineer. This is an unboxing video of OnePlus Buds which is grey in color. This is the box overview from each side. It has a hanging support. You can see the OnePlus branding. There are the box specification on the back side of the box which shows the manufacturing date and etc. Applying a cut with the help of a knife on the back of the box to break the seal. Applying once again. Now removing the plastic seal. The model number of OnePlus earbuds is E501 printed on the back side of the box. Now the plastic is completely removed. Now trying to open the box, seeing the glue from where the box will open. I'm still trying to figure out how to open the box. Now it seems like the box will come out. Now here comes the cover out of the box, and this is the first look of the OnePlus Buds. Removing the plastic shield on the Buds box. So this is the OnePlus Buds case. It is grey and looks good. Now opening the Buds case, you can see the green LED light. Now white LED light is blinking, which is searching for the Bluetooth connectivity of any other Bluetooth device. Now closing the case. It is very easy to use as it fits comfortably in ears and has lesser chance of falling. Is that it does not have any ear tips. It has IPX4 rating, making it safe from splashes, but the charging case is not waterproof rated. The earbuds weight is 4.7 gram and the charging case weight is 37 gram. The Bluetooth version it uses is 5.0. The Bluetooth wireless range is 10 meters. It is wired with USB Type-C cable. It takes up to 10 minutes to charge for 2 hours of playtime for the earbuds. The charging case has a 420 mAh battery and the earbuds have a 35 mAh battery each. Now you can see what is more inside the box. Now removing the leaflet. Now putting the leaflet aside with OnePlus case on it. And this is the red envelope which has a OnePlus user manual and warranty card in it, and also the charging cable. You can see the envelope. Now opening the envelope, you can see the documentation. These are the two documentations which are coming out of the envelope. Putting the envelope aside. So these are the user guide which shows some instruction how to use the earbuds. It is quite long and folded. Now this one is the safety and warranty card. This also has some instructions printed in different languages. Now you can see the charging cable coming out of the envelope. This is the charging cable, which is a USB Type-C cable, which can be used for charging the OnePlus case. You can connect it through the laptop, PC, power bank, and a dash charger which can charge the case in 80 minutes. After fully charged, the case gives up to 30 hours of music playback as it also serves as a power bank. The earbuds can give up to 7 hours of music playback and 4 hours of phone call. It has environmental noise cancellation and 3 microphones to improve clarity. It has powerful bass boost with the help of 13.4 mm dynamic driver. Driver sensitivity is 97 decibels with plus minus 3 decibels at 1 kHz. Frequency response range is 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Microphone sensitivity is minus 38 decibels to plus minus 2 decibels. The dimension of earbud is 1.881 into 1.613 into 3.789 cm, and charging case is 5.221 into 5.962 into 2.44 cm. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe the channel for more upcoming videos, and thank you for watching the video.